Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have something really fun for y'all and a special guest. My husband is going to do my makeup. So I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what he's gonna do, but I guess we'll see and y'all will see too. So, you ready? What's this your button on?
Primer. Gotta prime the skin. Do I dab? That's not fair. It don't blend if I dab. No, it don't. I can see it. Should let me airbrush it. I can paint. Make sure you get that line going. Okay. Looks good.
What?
It's a lot. That's a lot.
What are you gonna do now?
Just powder. Like I don't need much. Too much?
You said you don't need much.
Whole face. Make the face. I'm getting any on it.
Or microwave?
Any on it? Too much? You said put it there. That's where you said to put it. I go too low. Go higher.
It's okay.
Let's just pretend like I didn't put it in and get that part out. What is this? Need more. Oh, that shit's good.
What's this?
Glitter shit. And that one on this side.
Time for eyebrows.
Whoops. That looked terrible.
Follow the outline of them.
Well, you follow the hair, I guess.
Yeah.
Whatever. How do I fill them in? With this? That's where the hair is.
Let's get up closer for these. You can fill them in with that.
Is that what you use the paintbrush for?
No, I usually use one or the other.
Close.
Pretty good for your first time. What palette are you gonna use? I hadn't even used this one yet.
You'll learn today.
Oh, actually, I think I did use it the other day. low.
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah, look, let's get brave, so.
Not a good place to look. Did really good with the mascara.
Oh, that's the color. What?
You have to put more on.
Oh, that was good. More?
Yeah. That's very low.
There's a lot coming out that time.
Here is the finished look. I actually did pretty good. Okay, so here is the finished look. I think he did really good, especially since this is the first time he's ever done anything like this. I would have done a little bit more foundation, but he said he was doing a more natural look. And then, which in his defense with the bronzer, this one is the butter bronzer that I use that's a little bit lighter, so you do have to use more, and I think he just didn't want to use too much. So, got it a little bit low, but he fixed it. And then the blush looks good, the highlight looks good. And then the eyebrows are a little dark on this one, but I think they're really good for his first time doing eyebrows. And then I was a little nervous when he said he wanted to do orange lipstick and orange eyes, but I think it actually looks really good. This is one of my favorite lipsticks, and since he didn't go too heavy on the eyes, the orange lipstick looks really good. I'm pretty impressed with the mascara, because when I do makeup on people, I usually make them do their own mascara. So I'm very impressed. He didn't even get it anywhere, which is really good. And he didn't poke my eye out, so that's always a plus. But yeah, I think he did really good. What did you think about it? Did you think it was harder than you thought it would be? Or easier?
I'm glad I don't have to do it.
Yeah, men definitely have it a lot easier. But I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching. And until next time, bye y'all.